Hey there, Internet Keith here, and we are at Street Approved Customs dropping off Heidi to get her new wrap and all. That will be revealed later, but let's kind of show what she looks like right now. As you can see, she's in her Alpine white, all locked up with the side mirrors pulled up there. It's kind of what the last time you're going to see her before the wrap. We're definitely going for a break your neck look. Check out this SL Mercedes in pink. Dip's only been off a month and got sandblasted right there by some kind of rock. And also on the motion sensor. Street Approved Customs is not only protecting Heidi with the ceramic coat on top of the vinyl we're putting on, but they take care of the customer. Look how nice that is. No dirty interior. While I'm here, I might as well show this awesome looking AMG GT that's in for some paint protection. Just look at that carbon fiber on the wing. Really hope you like that little montage there of the progression of the wrap over about a 5-day period. We stopped by once a day just for a few minutes just to get a little bit of perspective, a little bit of storyline. Not a whole lot, but at this time I really would like to make a shout out to Street Approved Customs who took care of the damage of the bumper after Heidi got in that accident, got her all painted up, and then Opulent Auto Styling for doing the wrap. Awesome job. And then Street Approved Customs came back and did a full ceramic coat of the car. It looks amazing. Another shout out to Eurofed and Liquid Molly for allowing us to reveal the car at Caffeine Octane the next day to show the public. I didn't get very much footage of that at all. I got a good bit of pictures, but I spent the whole day talking to people. It was amazing. So if you're looking for great footage, the next video we're gonna be going to Eurofed Charlotte for a Charlotte BMW's meet, and I would definitely get some great footage at that meet as well. So I really like to thank everybody, and here's the reveal. So as you can see in low light, it comes out of a stealth black, turns into this oil slick rainbow with really deep hues of blue, green, copper. The camera has a hard time focusing on this. And when you turn the opposite angle and come back, the sheen really kicks in. It almost comes out silverish with that oil slick rainbow and the copper red. On the other side, where there's no light, and it's stealth black. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that wrap reveal. It was a risk for us to go for that kind of color. We want to breakneck the white. It's great, but it really doesn't stand out at car shows, and I really want to meet people and talk to more people about cars. And at Cafe and Octane, they just came out from everywhere to talk about this wrap. So I really enjoyed it. It definitely, like I said, was a risk, but the body lines of the F30 really break it up. It looks great on this car. I've seen it bad on some other cars, and I've seen it good on some cars. So definitely was a risk. I really appreciate you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.